The session will basically talk about order. Now, we have already discussed about families. Those were the conglomeration of related genera, and order is the conglomeration of related families. So we have discussed one of the families right there was Solanaceae, where we have talked about various genera like Petunia, Datura, Solanum. So you have another family called Convolvulaceae, and both of the families have got the same order called Polymoniales. So order belongs to the group of related families. In plants, the order gets the suffix called ales. You can look, Polymoniales has got the suffix ales, and families were characterized on the basis of similar vegetative and reproductive characters, while orders are classified on the basis of similar floral characters. One more order I have tried putting it for the animals like Felidae and Canidae. They are two of the families of cats and dogs. They belong to the common order called Carnivora. In the next class, we'll be discussing about class.